Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is QR code based smart rationing system using ESP32 CAM and GSM SMS alert subsidy ration SMS alert. So in this project we are using an 5 volts power supply and ESP32 CAM camera module, camera OV2640 AA Thinker ESP32 module, and SMS alert. SMS will get the owner person of subsidy rice taken 10 kg 2 kg. If third time already taken Rajesh 10 kg 2 kg. So this person is taken only. We are using two QR code. You can add n number of cards also to the database. So green LED, red LED of checking the card, motor, rice motor and dal motor, and camera module. So this is my block diagram. Let us coming into the hardware module. So here we are using two motor. One is for the dal motor and rice motor to representation as a motor rotating. Two QR code. We can add number of QR codes to the ESP32 module. ESP32 camera module. When green LED, red LED, when the card is scanned, red LED should be on and the motor should be on, and it will send the SMS to the predefined mobile numbers. GSM SIM 800L. So here we are using Idea SIM card, and this is USB to UART module, and this is 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, LED, and 5 volts should be come from all devices. So ESP32S AI Thinker module and camera OV2640. Okay, these are the block diagram. So here we are using 14-15 motors, motor 1, motor 2, green LED, red LED, red LED, green LED, 5 volts ground, and RX TX it is connected to the GSM modem, transmitter and receiver. Okay, same to same pin connections. So this is my programming part. So QR code scanning, red LED, green LED, M1, M2 motors. Okay, so here I am using a GSM for SMS alert purpose. M1, M2, red LED, green LED, green LED. So I am taking 9600. I am scanning for the GSM module. Once it is okay, so it is checking for the Subhash. When the card is scanned, so it will take the mobile number of red LED, green LED, and the SMS alerts. 10 kg rice taken and 2 kg rice taken. If third time is scanned, you are already taken the subsidy. So same to same Rajesh also. You can add the number of cards. Yeah, once again coming to the module, ESP32 module, two motors, red LED, green LED, and GSM SIM 800L we are using. So Idea SIM card I am using. Okay, so now I am going to start with the power supply. Let's start with the power supply. Okay, once GSM is checking completed, then the green LED should be on, ready to scan the card. So it is ready to scan the card. Okay, so there is no SMS alert. So now I am going to scan the card. Now I am showing the card to the ESP32 reader. Yeah, green LED, motor is rotated, so SMS came. Rajesh 10 kg rice taken. Okay, so this is Rajesh. Okay, now I am going to scan another time. So Rajesh 2 kg dal taken and motor is rotating. Okay, 3 times completed. Okay, green LED, motor rotated, rice taken, and Subhash 10 kg rice taken. Red LED on. Fan rotated, dal rice rotated. So we will get the SMS alert. Subhash 2 kg dal taken. So you can add number of cards also. You can add number of cards also. Okay. So like that you can add number of card, but here I am showing only 2 card. Okay, only 2 card. So if you add number of card, you have to add the programming part of each and every card onto the database. Okay, dal rice, so rice and dal motor and red LED, green LED. If I am showing for the third time, biscuit, third time, red LED on. So it will tell that you are taken subsidy of ration already. Subhash already taken subsidy ration. Okay, so like that you will get the SMS alert. So this is for monthly rationing system. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. Please subscribe more projects on SVS Embedded. This is the block diagram of the project.